everyone. Today I'm going to teach you Chapter 25 Joining Words of your English Grammar book. So let's get started. Joining words are also called as conjunctions. What are joining words? The words which join two words or sentences are called as joining words. Examples: and, but, or. Students, in this chapter, we are going to study these three joining words only. Let's study the first joining word, that is and. We use and to join two similar things or sentences. Example: Meera ate the cake, Meera ate the fruit. Now students, since cake and fruit both are eatable items, both are similar items, so we can use the joining word and. That is, Meera ate the cake and the fruit. Do it by yourself. She bought a shirt, she bought a book. Now think, students, which joining word we can use here? Yes, we can use and here because she bought two things, two similar items. So instead of telling about those items in different sentences, we can say in one sentence using the joining word and. That is, she bought a shirt and a book. But. We use but to talk about two opposite things. When we are talking about two opposite things, it may be quality, it may be any particular thing, then we are going to use the joining word but. Example: Krish ran fast, Krish did not win the race. Now students, here as you can see in the sentence that Krish, he ran fast. So if he ran fast, he should have won the race. But he did not win the race. So opposite thing is being told here. That is why we are going to join the sentence by using the conjunction but. That is, Krish ran fast but did not win the race. Do it by yourself. He is poor, he is honest. Now think that which conjunction you can use here. The answer is but. He is poor but honest. The last joining word is or. We use or when we have to choose between two things. Okay? Students, whenever any choice is given, then or is used. Okay? You must be knowing that in your EVS exam or in your science exam, two choices being given between two diagrams. So or is used. Okay, similarly, whenever any choice is being given or whenever any choice is being made, then we use the joining word or. Example: Sarah can take a bus, Sarah can take a taxi. So Sarah is having two choices here. So we can say in one sentence, Sarah can take a bus or a taxi. Do it by yourself. Would you like to have tea? Would you like to have coffee? Now here, two choices are being given. That is, you have tea and you have coffee. What would you like to have? So, we can join these two questions by a joining word, and that joining word is or. So, we can say, would you like to have tea or coffee? Okay? Now let us see the book exercises. Make pairs by joining the words in column A to the words in column B. Here you just have to make pairs. Like the first pair is bread and butter. Second pair is black and white. Third pair is birds and bees. And the last pair is knife and fork. Okay? Fill in the blanks using and or. So students, here you have to read the sentences and then by using the joining word and or, you have to fill the following sentences. Okay? So keep this in mind. Whenever two similar things are there, then we are going to use and whenever choice is being made, okay, then we are going to use or. For example, first one, I am wearing a cap dash a jacket. Since I am wearing both the things, that's why we are going to use here and. Second, is Aisha at home dash at school? What we are going to use here? We are going to use here or. Okay? Students, Aisha, she cannot be at both the places, that is home and school. She can be only at one place. So that is why choice is there. So that is why we have used or. Rest you can do by yourselves and then check the answers from the answer key. Exercise B. Join the sentences using and, but, or. Students, as you can see here, space is not provided. So this exercise we are going to do in the English grammar notebook. Okay? Like this we are going to do. See, the first sentence is already done for you. So we'll do from second sentence. That is, we could watch a film. We could watch a magic show. Now, we can't watch two things together. We can only watch one thing at a time. That is, we are having two choices. So, we are going to use the conjunction or the joining word or. And it will be like, we could watch a film or a magic show. Number 3. The road is long, the road is rough. Here, the road is having both the qualities. Since the road possesses both the qualities, we are going to use the joining word and. The road is long and rough. Fourth, the elephant is huge. The elephant is gentle. Now here, two opposite qualities are being shown. So we are going to use the joining word but. The elephant is huge but gentle. See the last one. The dog is small. The dog is fierce. What is the meaning of fierce? Fierce means aggressive. Okay? One who gets angry very easily. So here, two opposite qualities of the dog is being shown. That is why we are going to use the joining word but. The dog is small but fierce. Okay? So do the work as told. Thank you everyone. Hope you understood this chapter well.